The Hendrickson PR25-9 and PR25-9 PC are pressure regulating drip manifolds. It's an easy way to convert a shrub stick into a micro drip system, and they're perfect for planters, patios, and other areas with shrubs, trees, or ground cover. Dwayne Smith here, Sprinkler Warehouse Product Specialist. Let's get started. A manifold can also be called a multi-outlet drip emitter. Drip irrigation uses considerably less water than conventional sprinkler systems. By delivering water directly to the root zones of plants, drips helps eliminate problems with insects, weeds, plant diseases, and prevents wasting water due to runoff and evaporation. These manifolds direct water from 1/2 inch outlets, splitting the flow 9 different ways using microtubing to deliver water to your plants. There's 2 versions of this manifold, the PR25-9 and the PR25-9 PC. PC stands for pattern control, and it has these levers for shutting off the outlet and controlling the flow rate for each individual outlet. The PR25-9 does not. Its outlets are always open unless you use one of the included caps to shut off an outlet. Both manifolds flow up to 20 gallons per hour per outlet. You install these manifolds by screwing them onto a shrub stick or nipple riser. Insert the filter first. They're both pressure regulating, so you don't need to install a separate pressure regulator. Install microtubing by wiggling it on the barbs like so. Run microtubing from the manifold to the root zone of your plants. Secure the tubing in place with stakes. It's a good idea to add a diffusion cap, also called a bug cap or plug, to the end of your microtubing. It helps prevent erosion at the plant roots, and it also keeps creepy crawlies from laying their eggs in your microtubing. Depending on the size of the planting, 1 outlet may suffice for a small dense grouping, or you may use 1 outlet per plant. For trees or large shrubs, you may need to use several outlets. You can control the flow rate on the PR25-9 PC with built-in valves. However, on the PR25-9, if the flow rate's too much, you'll need to add something to the distribution tubing to regulate the flow. You can add a Hendrickson valve control stake. This little valve here adjusts the flow. Or you can add a drip emitter or micro spray. It doesn't have to be Hendrickson brand. On both of these manifolds, there is a mesh screen that may at times need to be cleaned. You can reach the screen by twisting off the top of the manifold like this. There is also a specially made valve box for the Hendrickson manifolds. It provides protection for the manifolds while allowing easy access. Remember, Sprinkler Warehouse has everything for your irrigation needs, so your trees, lawn, flower beds, and gardens are lush and beautiful. And if you have any questions, chat with one of our amazing customer service agents on sprinklerwarehouse.com. They really know their stuff, and they'll get you squared away. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for helpful tips, tutorials, and general sprinkler instruction. For Sprinkler Warehouse, I'm Dwayne Smith. Professional quality, rock bottom prices.